Welcome to Next Matter, the workflow automation tool that helps you service customers in a unified, efficient, and quality manner. Let's look at the automated return flow. Imagine your partner shop wants to return an item. They fill in a form, but you still need more data. In Next Matter, you can use the data the shop already provided to automatically send them an email, acknowledge their request, and ask for more data, sending them a link to an external form. The partner shop fills in the form and sends you all the requested data. They can also upload images or even sign the form. All the emails are fully automated so you can focus on other tasks. Automation ensures everyone is kept in the loop, and the designated people can make decisions based on the data that's pulled in from other steps and displayed to them. And you always know who made the decision because all the data is stored in the workflow. Time is crucial for customers, so steps don't have to be sequential. They can run in parallel as a group. And as always, the customer is informed about the status of their request. Integration with third-party tools stands at the core of Next Matter. Generating a courier label or triggering a refund is not a problem. These are done automatically and without the need of switching tools. To optimize the workflow, you have full control over steps. You decide when steps should start, for example, in relation to another step. When a step should finish, and what the consequences are. With conditions, you can define different ways in which workflows should develop. If you want to improve further, you can find detailed data on how long steps take on average. If they take too long, maybe there is a bottleneck you can get rid of. Automations make customer service so much easier. To learn more about customer service automation, get in touch and try Next Matter for free.